2:31 after a nice snorkel with many large rays and black-tip sharks. We are now pulling up anchor and we'll be heading to our second and final snorkeling stop. Sun has come out and just had a minute or two of very light drizzle, but that has come to an end. Very nice first stop in the water here, and one to go. You can still see some of the black-tip sharks swimming along behind us. We're now heading eastbound back to the Intercontinental and beyond our ship, and we'll see where we anchor down for our second snorkeling stop. He's going to try and find a spot that's a little more sheltered without such a strong swell and current. We've got a hitchhiker here.
What type of bird is he? Whoopie. Whoopie. Sorry, I'll let you.
We had someone on our group who lost one of their fins, and it's been recovered by another boat here. Yeah. Swim over and claim your fin.
Thank you.
Merci. Okay, missing fin retrieved. We are now turned around and heading back toward the west. Looks like we are now turning toward the west coast of Mo'orea Island. Got several abandoned structures on the coast there. We made the turn here and now we're on the northwest side of the island as we head toward our second snorkel location.